In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make DuckDuckGo as default search page in a Microsoft Edge. If you want more privacy-friendly searches and a cleaner results page, setting DuckDuckGo as your default is a quick change you can make right inside Edge. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're doing. First, open Microsoft Edge. Once Edge is up, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu where you can control how the browser behaves. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all of Edge's preferences live. On the left or within the settings categories, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section covers how Edge handles tracking, suggestions, and searches. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Address Bar and Search. This area controls what search engine is used when you type straight into the address bar. Click Manage Search Engines. You'll see a list of search engines Edge already knows about. We're going to add DuckDuckGo to this list so we can set it as the default. Click Add, and a small form will appear. In the field labeled Search Engine, type DuckDuckGo. In the field labeled Keyword, enter DuckDuckGo.com. The keyword is a shortcut you can use in the address bar, but it also helps identify the engine. In the field labeled URL, enter https://duckduckgo.com. This tells Edge where to send your searches when you pick DuckDuckGo. When everything looks right, click Add to save it. You should now see DuckDuckGo in the list. To make it your default, find DuckDuckGo in the list. Click the three dots to its right and choose Make Default. That's it. From now on, anything you type into the Edge address bar and press Enter will use DuckDuckGo for results. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. The address bar and search setting affects what happens when you type in the address bar, not necessarily what appears on a new tab page. If you want to use DuckDuckGo for everything, just make sure you always search from the address bar. Also, if you ever want to switch back, come right back to this same Manage Search Engines page and choose Make Default on a different provider. You've successfully set DuckDuckGo as your default search in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy a more private, straightforward search experience, and thanks for watching.